Welcome to Farmonics, your one-stop solution for all your grocery needs. Let us know about one of our product that is chia seeds. Farmonics Chia Seeds, a nutrient-rich powerhouse. Here are a few benefits of chia seeds: that it is being gluten-free, rich in antioxidants, offering a unique flavor, providing an energy boost, being low in fat, and being rich in nutrients. Let us know few chia seeds recipes that you must try out, that including chia pudding, chia yogurt, chia fruit salad, and chia smoothies. Why choose Farmonics Chia Seeds? Because of its quality assurance, freshness guaranteed, easy online ordering, support for local farmers, and their nutrient-rich profile. You can also try Farmonics' other products too, like premium quality dry fruits, unpolished pulses, unadulterated spices, seeds and nuts. We are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Pincode. You can contact us through email and WhatsApp. You can also place order from our website www.farmonics.co. In link is also provided in the description.